Garmin Dashcam 57. The tiny spy that saves your butt. And your car. Let's be real, you've got enough going on already. Between dodging distracted drivers, surviving brutal commutes, and trying not to scream when someone tailgates you like they're auditioning for Fast and Furious 37, the last thing you need is some shady situation with no proof. And yet, when something does go down, fender benders, hit and runs, Karen in a minivan, you're stuck playing he said, she said with nothing but your word and a headache. That invisible dash cam you were gonna get? Yeah, you're feeling that regret now. Now crank that chaos up a notch. Imagine this. You park your ride, hit the store, come back, and there it is, mystery dent, no note, just rage. Or worse, you're away on a trip and suddenly get hit with a "your vehicle alarm triggered" text. You check your phone, but you've got nothing. No footage. No receipts. No justice. Meanwhile, your insurance rate creeps up like a horror movie soundtrack. You've missed your chance, again. Welcome to the endless cycle of car owner paranoia. Stressful? Buddy, it's brutal. Enter the Garmin Dashcam 57, your silent co-pilot, bodyguard, and eyewitness, all in one finger-sized genius. This pocket-sized powerhouse records in crisp 1440p HD, sees with a wide 140 degrees field of view, and never takes a break. It auto-records, saves footage when stuff goes down, and thanks to built-in GPS, your footage comes with rock-solid proof of where and when. Oh, and did we mention hands-free voice control? Just say the word and it snaps pics, saves clips, even shuts up when needed. Add Wi-Fi uploads, parking guard, and live view from your phone? You're not driving with a cam, you're driving with a force field. No drama setup, no did it record, fears, just 24/7 confidence. You'll get peace of mind with forward collision alerts, lane departure warnings, and even alerts when the car ahead moves, because hey, some of us get distracted by snacks. Plus, the design? Ultra compact and slick. It blends in, works hard, and keeps your windshield looking clean. The bundle's got everything: 16 gigabytes card, magnetic mount, cables, USB adapter, you're ready out the box. Want to check in on your car while away? Just tap into live view and boom, you're watching your ride from anywhere. Smooth, right? So here's the move, don't wait until after the incident to wish you had one. Thousands of smart drivers already trust the Garmin Dashcam 57, and for good reason. Stock flies fast, especially with this full bundle, and hey, your car's worth way more than one regret. So grab yours now while it's hot. No more what ifs. No more blind spots. Just full throttle protection with a dash of dang, that's clever. Hit the link. Own your proof. And drive with swagger.